TKLYC 2 series of 2-stage of permanent magnetic variable frequency screw air compressor. Advantages: 1. Can effectively reduce energy consumption and thus bring higher efficiency. Under the same power, the energy saving is at least 15% to 20% under different working conditions. 2. Adopt internal spray oil cooling type. Enable air isothermal compression, saving energy by 8%. 3. Each stage compression ratio is as low as 3:1. Little internal leakage, improving efficiency by 15%. 4. Adopt German rotor screw air end. Big rotor and low rotary speed designing. Reliable, low noise, long use life.